Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my birthday orchids. So my birthday was, I can't say this month anymore, I can't say last month, but 2 months ago. It was too cold then to order orchids. So right around Mother's Day it got warm enough and I put in some orders for orchids and they just didn't come for a while. And they all arrived today. So I'm gonna do 3 separate videos of these orchids. And the first unboxing is from Exotic Orchids of Maui. Oh no, this is from H&R Nurseries. And I actually put this order in, I think. I might have even put it in before Mother's Day, but Harry forgot it. And it seems to have suffered some damage in transit, so we'll have to see how the plants are. They had, this is going to be mostly community pots. Picked up just some things because I have this addiction to community pots. I will probably get rid of extras from this for sure. In my desire to cull 200. Of course, a lot of things I've taken out of community pot have not, survived. And so, you know, we have, let's see, looks like, I think it's just cut across. I don't know. There's a right here on the side. I will see if there's anything down in there that's actually damaged. Haven't gotten to there yet. So let's see, make some room here. Here, let me, can't actually, all right. So, have, whoop, this came right out. Not a lot of room here. I'm actually sitting on the ground because I had to move the chair that was in the space or I couldn't get between the table and the orchids over here. Yeah, so this is a community pot. This is Dendrobium lineale. And I'll just put stuff, I have a tray here these guys can go into. Right here. I have space right here for them to go into. So we'll just rack them up. Let's see, where's that? Okay. Going down into the zone of damage. So like lineale species, I will include photos of the flowers as I get to them. Is this? This is Petchcabiences Haritoniana. I got this from them a few years ago. It was great. It came in bloom. Unfortunately, I think I gave mine way too much sun. It burned and it just really died. And so I got a replacement right here. And we will put it someplace less sunny. How about right here? Though it does suffer if it's too close to the ground of my dog's giant body going by. She uses the same paths that I do in this backyard, and let's just say that she doesn't really care if she hits an orchid. Okay, so this is Dendrobium Candy Eye. I got a Candy Eye from them a few years ago. It died. This is just a replacement. I'm still trying to figure out how to grow Candy Eye. I think it needs more water than I'm giving it. So that's just one of those ones where I know they have really good Candy Eye, and I'm just replacing one that I killed. At some point, I'm gonna just say that, you know what, I can't grow Candy Eye, and that's it, and I give up. here's another community pot. This is Fire Magic. I got a community pot from H&R, Fire Magic, I want to say 2 years ago, and none of them took. Just every single one that I unpotted from that just died within, you know, a month or so. And so this is just a replacement. Fire Magic is, all of them are really, really different. It's Fire Fantasy cross Tokyo Magic, and I just like the difference in them. This is going to be one of those ones where I'll definitely be getting rid of extra plants, but I'm just trying to get some different variety of flowers in the Fire Magic. It can be really varied. They can be white, they can be yellow, they'll have flares in different colors like red or yellow on white. They'll have pink lips, or they'll have, you know, yellow lips. They're just, Fire Magic can be crazy. All right, so this is Dendrobium Pachyphylum. I think I had gotten a Pachyphylum from High Desert Orchids. It didn't survive. This is a replacement. I'm trying to do a bunch of different little miniatures to test out like temperature, how big they really grow, how they grow, because I am still trying to make myself a little like paludarian, like aquascape, using orchids. So actually that was all the stuff that was in the, and I think that was the one that was right by the, yep, it's fine. That was the one that was right by the break that was in the box. So it looks like it's just the box that suffered, none of the plants suffered. Another Dendrobium. This is Susie Gallus, which is Hawaiian mini stripe cross to blue Twinkle. So I don't know if I can grow any of these well. This year out of Hawaii, a lot of the growers have these Dendrobiums. They spike out of the top. They have, I guess, a lot of spatulata in them, and they're often crossed to blue Twinkle. So you get these bluish purple flowers with curly antelope petals and sepals, and they, let's just say the Chicago Judging Center has awarded a lot of them, and I have tried to buy one and failed, so I got a community pot to try my luck. Like I said, I haven't really, like, I've tried to grow things like tangerinum and stuff and haven't done so hot with them, but this seems to be like, I mean, that's a little bit behind since a lot of the Hawaiian growers already have ones up to snuff, like, you know, blooming size, but I don't know, I'm really excited to try to get one award quality antelope type Dendrobium with, you know, blue Twinkle in the background. So this is another Petchcabiences Haritoniana. Did I really order two? Well, I guess I can try 2 different environments with it. I might have ordered 2 because I think they were only $15 each. Possibly because I don't know how to grow it and I was afraid. Doesn't go like well there. That's across the back. I don't need things that hook across the front. All right. Yeah, it's probably a little OCD of me to peel the tape off. It's just me. Okay, another community pot. These are all community pots. I ordered a lot of community. This is Petchcabiences crossed to Brassavola nidosa. I'm expecting something out of this that looks perhaps white with pink spots on it. Petchcabiences has a Candy in it, and there'll probably be more starry, thinner flowers, but spotted from the Candy. So that's one of my new growing goals, is to try to grow up a seedling or a bunch of seedlings. Obviously get rid of a lot of the extras, but you know, grow up like 4 or 5 of them and try to get them ward quality. If none of them are ward quality, then get rid of them and, you know, move on to a different project. This is Prassivola Alex Hawks. This is Nodosa crossed to Encyclia Mariae. Mariae is yellow with sort of a trumpet lip. And I wonder if this will look a lot like lime sherbet. Okay. That should be small and compact actually, because Mariae is very small and compact. And my Mariae actually is about to bloom. It's in bud right now. Okay, so this is Dendrobium Hawaiian Punch. This is Norma Jackson crossed to Blue Twinkle. So as I said earlier, these Dendrobiums crossed with Blue Twinkle in the background have been really hot this season, and I'm just trying to get in on the action. And that wasn't the other one I got, right? Because that's Norma Jackson, and the other one was Susie Gallus. And this is the last one out of that box. This is Dendrobium Greg Scott 4N crossed to Kapu, which is the variety chocolate twist or clonal chocolate twist. So this is going to be an antelope type, but with brown flowers, brown, you know, petals and sepals, and curly again. So a bunch of dendrobiums for me to try my luck on the new antelope types, and a couple cattleyas. Again, I'm trying to practice picking out really good plants and growing some to award quality.